shining. It is so bright. If you haven't seen my last video, it was a very short, quick video to everyone out there that's just here for peace of mind with burps. I just wanted you guys to know that I have a new channel and it's called She Burps For You. So please come over, show some love, make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get my channel up and running, and so we can be peaceful together. Relaxation is what I hope you get from me releasing these burps. It's something that I don't control, but I found that people love to hear it. The releasing of the burps, the releasing of this buildup inside that you just have to get out, and I hope that whoever listens to it, it brings some type of pleasure or relaxation to you. I don't do this for purposes of anything else other than to bring some type of peace in somebody's life, however that may be. So I hope that you enjoy my videos. I know people want, I know that somebody asked me, can I burp for very long periods of time? I haven't tried because I don't do it on purpose. And so I haven't used different techniques to burp. So you guys let me know if you want me to, maybe drink a soda and see how that works. You let me know different things. I mean, if you don't feel comfortable putting it in the notes, put it in the comment section. You can actually email me. My email address is garlicqueen81@gmail.com. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. And just make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. So, as usual, I'm on the road again, driving. It was discussed. Someone sent me a message and discussed, have a conversation. Excuse me, guys. Have a conversation in my burp videos. And excuse my high rap, guys. Not really. I like this high rap. I actually do. It was discussed or asked. I keep saying discussed. I was at work. Certain words I use at work. Anyway, do I, to talk longer, to have conversation as I'm, driving and doing certain, driving and talking to you and burping for you guys. Sorry. That I should, have a conversation. Do you guys want me to talk? Do you want me to converse with you guys? I will. I definitely will. If that's what you guys like, let me know what you like. Let me know what you expect from this channel. She Burps For You. I received a lot of emails. I'm very shocked at the emails that I received. I'm happy that people enjoy my videos, male and women, and to come and stop by. So let me know if you like videos with me speaking. I've uploaded videos of me not speaking, and you know, I want to make you guys happy. So you let me know how it is. I actually can feel, it's almost like a volcano at times that is really trying to erupt. I can feel it from my stomach, and it's like bubbling. Sometimes it gets caught in my chest. And when I pat myself, I'm able to get it out. Someone asked me if I'm in the middle of a conversation, do I belch like that? And yeah, you know, sometimes, I mean, as I'm speaking to you guys right now, of course I'm just letting it out freely. But if I'm in a conversation, let's just say, you know, at work or wherever, you know, I try to keep it under wraps as much as I can. But yeah, for the most part, I still burp. I might close my mouth and keep it in. But when I'm on, you know, when I'm making my videos for you guys, and I'm able to just let it all hang out. I can just be free and feel the relief, the release of everything, of all this backed up bubbles that's within me. You guys are so cool that you appreciate it. You know, everybody has something that someone else would like. You know, people like to hear burps, and I'm able to provide those people with what they like. You know. On here forever just burping, guys. My whole entire ride, I could be on here just talking and burping and talking and burping. Sometimes when I go to the video, I feel like I'm burping even more, because as I talk, I'm trying not to let the burps come up, because I want to continue to talk. As you can see, it gets in the way of speaking sometimes. It, like, you know, fills my mouth up, and I have to stop, allow it to come out, and then continue on. So it's not that easy. And then you have the smaller burps that get stuck in my throat, and I need to get that out as well. I tell you, who would think a person's issue would be burping a lot? You know, I was about to cover my mouth, because I'm so used to covering my mouth, because they always coming out. But I don't want to keep you guys too long. the appreciation.